the Weather Xtreme video. This is the afternoon edition for Friday, May 12th. I'm James Spann. Showers, a few strong storms are likely tonight. The weekend will be dry. Next week looks dry. Check it out this afternoon. There's the water vapor satellite view, an upper trough approaching from the west. That's what's left of the upper low that was over the southwest United States earlier this week. A new trough digging down over the west coast. And on the radar, that was the way things looked at 214 over the northern half of the state. Had some strong storms coming through parts of St. Clair, Talladega, Calhoun, Cherokee, and Cleburne counties in East Alabama. More storms will likely form this evening and tonight as the upper trough swings in here. The big storms, a big MCS, mesoscale convective system, is down on the Gulf Coast, producing some very active weather for extreme South Alabama and the Florida Panhandle at mid-afternoon. Temperatures this afternoon are in the 70s, noticeably cooler than recent days. One of the few spots at 80 is Anniston, Birmingham at 72, and of course had clouds and rain keeping numbers down today. That's the visible satellite view. A lot of clouds around the state. Again, there's some breaks in the clouds over Mississippi, and as the upper trough comes in here, we'll see more showers and storms forming. They are moving into Alabama, I'd say between now and about 2 or 3 o'clock tomorrow morning. On the watch warning map, pretty quiet around the nation. The one watch is in for the MCS on the Gulf Coast. That is a severe thunderstorm watch until 4 o'clock this afternoon. That includes places like Gulf Shores, Pensacola, Destin. There's the overall severe weather outlook for the rest of today and tonight. We've got the standard slight risk of severe weather for parts of the Gulf Coast region. In Alabama, that's for far southwest Alabama. Elsewhere, a marginal risk of severe weather for most of the state except for the Tennessee Valley. And like we've talked about, the main issue, gusty winds, some small hail. We've seen some of that today. We do not expect any problems with tornadoes here across the northern half of the state. And then tomorrow, a marginal risk for places like Jacksonville, Savannah, and off to the northwest of here, a small marginal risk over parts of the western high plains. This is the rain for the next 7 days, and this counts the rain today and tonight, and basically that's it, because after tonight, we'll be dry for at least 7 consecutive days, most likely. So let's go to tomorrow. This is the GFS, the 12Z run, 1 o'clock tomorrow afternoon, troughing east of the state. And the rain should be over early in the morning, sometime during the pre-dawn hours, 3, 4, 5 o'clock. And the day will be a day with morning clouds, afternoon sun, and a high in the mid to upper 70s. Both the NAM and the GFS are at 77. A surface low is developing just off the mouth of Chesapeake Bay. Sunday, we start the day in the 50s, the high in the low to mid 80s. And all of next week just warm and dry. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, highs 87 to 90. Same thing Thursday. And a week from today, this is Friday, May 19th. Trough in the western states. Still have ridging here, and that still looks warm and dry. So at this point, most all of next week looking dry with very warm, if not hot, afternoons. This is the end of the forecast period. Monday, May 22nd. Troughing well to the north. A little weakness in the ridge. Looks like a surface boundary creeps in. That might be our next chance of rain. And understand that's 10 days away, and even that does not look like an especially big rain event. Check the numbers off the GFS, the 12Z run. Highs go back in the 70s tomorrow, but then upper 80s to near 90 each day right on through May 21st. Starting to look and feel like summertime. That's it for the Weather Xtreme video this afternoon. We'll have notes in the blog. My next video will be posted here by Monday morning at 7 o'clock. Brian Peters, the man that looks like Colonel Sanders, will have the video updates both tomorrow and Sunday. If you can't catch us this evening on ABC 3340 News at 4, 5, 6, and 10 o'clock. Thanks for watching. Have a great weekend, and God bless.